To the wrap-up for the live market open for Friday, April 22nd. Draghi provided some drama. Euro went up, then went back down. Now it's even extending its falls, but basically it's in the same range. And we had Draghi saying that basically we're waiting for the moves steps we announced to materialize, ready to do more as always. No discussion about helicopter money that sent the euro up, but afterwards we had it, this kind of meaner version. There was when it fell before the event, it was an opportunity to buy, and then when it went up, it was an opportunity to sell. Basically, we're in the same ranges. 112.50 works as support. Let's show the chart, followed by 112.20, and then 111.50. We're extending the falls now. I'm looking for 112.50 as the first support. On the upside, we have 113.35 and then 114.10 and 114.60, which is a very, very strong line. Big drama this morning. Report that the Bank of Japan is considering paying banks for lending money. So, or in nicer words, applying negative rates to bank loans, a bit similar to the TLTROs of the ECB. It's not an announcement, but it's a report. It's not a rumor, so it has significant market impact. This means significantly more stimulus, and we're seeing the yen reacting. The yen is falling. Japanese stocks are rising. 110.66 is the current level. 111 is resistance, followed by 112 and 112.80. Support 110, 109, and most importantly, 107.65. So I would say that the Bank of Japan is a bit stealing the show from the ECB yesterday. Oil is a bit lower. The big fall came yesterday, and now it's stabilizing. OPEC is still talking about doing something or not. I'm very skeptical, especially as prices are not that low, and these countries don't really trust each other. That's another theme in markets. Okay, now it's 43.50. On the day, it's quite stable, but falling in the past half an hour. Okay, let's continue the pound. Yesterday, we had terrible news from the UK regarding retail sales. That didn't stop the pound. It only caused it a temporary slide. Went all the way up to 144.35 over there, and we're back down. Support 142.80, 142.30, 20, 141.75. Anyway, the pound has shown a lot of resilience against weak data, against Brexit fears. Perhaps we have less Brexit fears than we had. Obama is also joining the Remain campaign in his visit to the UK. Okay, dollar CAD with the fall in oil, currently challenging the 127.50 resistance line. This worked as support. Okay, so it's basically at crossroads here. Dollar CAD at a key level. Later today, we have inflation and retail sales in Canada released at the same time. Expectations are low for both figures to be poor, but maybe if we'll have an upside surprise, it could help the Canadian dollar. 128.30, 129.30, and 130 are lines of resistance. 126.30 is support. Aussie dollar off the highs yesterday, pushed just a bit higher, but never went anywhere fast. 78.40 resistance. Now it's extending its falls below 77.40. Next line of support is 76.40. And the Kiwi dollar reaching also crossroads support 68.80. Further support 68.20, 69.50, and 70.50 are lines of resistance. Okay. So today's event, we had so far PMIs from the Eurozone. They were a bit mixed, but the German manufacturing one, which is the most important one, came out better than expected. No impact whatsoever. Canadian figures at 12:30. And the market flash manufacturing PMI. So, yeah, and yesterday we had something to watch out for. US jobless claims fell once more to record lows, 247,000. Okay, other US figures, the Philly Fed yesterday and beforehand, other ones were not good at all. Building permits earlier this week. Okay, so this is the close. This is the wrap up. Now we'll do the preview.